Welcome to Crowded Lab. AppSumo Plus Day is still in progress, and I would like to highlight to you another great deal. It is Bannerboo. So you can create animated advertisements for social media or websites or any advertisement network. It is one of the 15 deals which are exclusively available during Plus Day. And Bannerboo has limited availability, so if you would need that, please hurry. Check the link in the description. So quickly, what can you get with Bannerboo? Basically, it is like your Canva, but specifically for advertisement. You get a lot of pre-built templates. Let's take a look at this one. So you can get advertisements in different formats pre-built for you, so you can start quicker. And Bannerboo has advantage compared to Canva, for example, because during the export you can get exports specifically for a particular advertisement network. So you will pass strict requirements, for example, for the file sizes and any other requirements. So this is an example of one banner template in different formats, in different sizes. So inside application, you may find templates for different categories. For example, for social media. Let's look for Black Friday. Yep, and here you have it, a lot of templates related to Black Friday. You can have video ads, so-called scroll stoppers. And let's quickly take a look at the editor. So this is one of the templates that I opened. So let's play the advertisement. So here it is. You can see how it played out. And down below, you can see the animations. So basically, in your banner, you may choose a part and then animate specifically that part. So you can have, of course, your text edit on the banner. You can upload images from stock libraries like Unsplash and Pixabay and Pexels. You can add videos as well from those stock platforms. There is integration with stock music. You can add any shapes. You can upload your assets. Well, the tool provides all you need to create advertisements. So yeah, Bannerboo is great. Just look at the number of positive reviews. It has limited availability during Plus Day. Maybe they will come back later to the platform. I don't know. So overall, it is a great tool which is designed specifically for creating advertisements. If you plan to advertise your own business, or you work for an agency, or you run an agency, I think that will be a great addition to your toolset. You can configure your brand identity so you can progress quicker with advertisements tailored specifically for your brand colors and brand identity. So yeah, a nice addition to any toolset. Please check the link in the description. Don't forget to check the link to the giveaway. You may have chance to enter and win 100 worth of AppSumo codes. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos, and see you in the next one.